Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Neelam's world. All little girls, let's make pancakes with Ishaal. Let's go.
Hey guys, I'm Ishaal and today I'm gonna make pancakes for you. So first of all, I'm gonna separate the egg yolk and the egg white. Perfect. Today I'm gonna make this pancake perfectly and surprise my mama. Now add 2 tablespoons of white flour in the egg yolk. Add 1 tablespoon of milk. Now add half tablespoon of vanilla essence. Add a pinch of vanilla flavor. It's totally optional. I love vanilla, that's why adding it. Now mix well. This material is thick and sticky. Wow, it feels like slime. Now add few drops of lemon in the egg white and whisk it. When the egg white will become little foamy, we will add 2 tablespoons of sugar in it. As you can see that the egg white looks foamy now, so add 2 tablespoons of sugar in it. 1 and 2. Now whisk it again. The egg white is ready now. Check it out, guys. Now add the egg white in the egg yolk and mix it. Wow, the material looks good. The pancakes are gonna be amazing. It's almost done. Add butter in the pan. Now add the pancake material in the pan. Perfecto! Wow, both are perfect. Now add few drops of water to make your pancake soft. Now cover your pancakes and leave them for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, check your pancakes and turn them. Wow, this one looks perfect. Let's see the other one. Oopsies, this pancake wasn't cooked properly, but it's okay. Nothing's gonna happen to taste, right? Now we will leave our pancakes again for 3 minutes. Let's turn this one and see. Wow! Now we will do the same things for this one. Perfect! So guys, our pancakes are ready. They look amazing. Now I'm gonna try my pancakes and will let you guys feel the taste. So guys, this is the end of my video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. Allah Hafiz.